It is Tuesday, October 10th. And actually, this would have been my parents' anniversary. What? So much went on in October in our lives. There you go. Anyway, happy anniversary, Mom and Dad. Neither one are with us anymore, but I'm sure they're celebrating somewhere in heaven, right? All right, so I'm wearing this Breezeway Shawl by Carissa Browning. It's a fingering and mohair situation. Lovely. You do the fingering by itself, then the mohair, then the fingering and the mohair. So this is the smallest size. It comes in two sizes. It's a $6 pattern. Did I say Carissa Browning? I think I did. Carissa Browning. Okay, whoops. Knocked over my hat. All right. Well, we got in a brand new yarn from Wonderland Yarns, Frabjous fibers. I love it. When I saw it, I was like, oh, this is like nothing I have seen before. And sparkles are in this year. A little bit of glitz and glitter, right? So this is Confetti from Wonderland Yarns. Can you see the sparkle? Yes, you can. OMG. It looks amazing. So, and it all has these little puffs of confetti, dots of wool that are attached. They're all the colors of the dots are the same on all the yarns, but it's totally multicolored. And it's little tufts and puffs of yarn that are there. So this is my choice for the yarn part, for the fingering part. And I have, I think, 10 colors. So then I have matched it. Ray helped me. We've matched it with different mohairs to go. So since I started with this gorgeous cottywomple, this color, cottywomple, we're suggesting this gorgeous gold from Barocco, Ariel. The Ariel is $17.50 and the confetti is $35. That would be gorgeous. All right. Now, there's this beautiful gray called Goat's Beard. Again, see the sparkle? It's not like blasting, but it is so pretty. And we have two choices. We have this beautiful Surrey alpaca for $10.50 in cream. And if not that one, Ray and I love this, the black. The black, and this is $14. This is Uma, right? Yep, this is Uma from whatever that is. Amano Yarns, there you go. Uma from Amano. All right, so we love the black, and it's Surrey, so it's super soft. All right, now how about Just Because? Gorgeous turquoise. Have it upside down. And then we chose this beautiful turquoise. If that isn't a perfect match, I don't know what is. Fabulous. All right, so that's that one. This one is matched with Rowan's Kid Silk Haze. Rowan Kid Silk Haze is $19 a skein. Takes 2 skeins of mohair and 1 skein of the confetti. This one is called Mind the Volcano. Amazing. Come on, you guys. It is beautiful. All right. This one is also gorgeous. This one is called Confused Clamor. And look at that match. This again is Rowan, $19. Perfect. Love doing this. This, guess whose this favorite is? This is Ray's favorite because it's pink. All right, and this is called Handsome Pig. And we have a handsome pink mohair to go with it. I mean, that is perfect. All right, this one is called Pool of Tears. So it's a tonal in these beautiful blues. We picked the Ella Ray Silky Kid for $16 on the lighter side, or the Uma for $14 on the brighter side. Kind of like the brighter one, but they're both gorgeous. All right, so that's the blue. Then there is Clotted Cream, which is more of a beige, more on the browner tone than the gray tone. And we chose this Surrey alpaca to go with it. I think it is a good match. Very muted, very lovely. Then we have, can't go wrong with a green, you know that. This is Mock Turtle. What a cute name. Mock Turtle, I love that. And we've done the Ariel in the green. I like it a lot. You could pick up any one of these dot colors too and mix and match. It wouldn't have to be a total match like we're doing. And last but not least, off with her red. What? Great name, love it. And the Ariel in red. That too is spectacular. All right, that's our suggestion. The pattern is $6. It is by Carissa Browning. And this is the smaller version. So Chrissy made this. It is beautiful. So suggestion for today, Breezeway by Carissa Browning, and all these gorgeous new confetti yarns. Just yum. All right. I think that's it for today. Oh, what is today? National Mental Health Day. Or is it Mental Health Month? Both. Whatever it is, it's important. So we have all been touched by that, I am sure, at some time in our lives, if not today. All right. I will see you tomorrow.